Hello dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very stylish and beautiful designs of knitted tops for women and girls. All these designs are very stylish and trendy. Support me by like, share and subscribe. Our channel is all about Western fashion. Here you will find leather dresses and knitted items. Here you can see leather tops, knitted bags, knitted shoes, knitted outfits, and all other items of knitted accessories. Thank you so much for watching my video. Videos from our channel can help you. Videos from our channel can give you complete guide to new fashion. You can easily buy any of these designs from the market and websites. Let me tell you about the websites from where you can buy these designs. So my dear friends, you can buy these designs from Amazon.com, etsy.com and aliexpress.com. Please support me by like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Our channel is all about Western fashion. Here you will see Western dresses and shoes design. Here you will find leather dresses, knitted accessories and all other items of crochet outfits. Please share this video with your friends and family members and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Dear friends, take good care of yourself and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new designs, new collection and new ideas. Goodbye.